What's up, guys, and welcome to the workshop. I'm over here at this station currently working on peeling bark off these sticks to make legs for benches, chairs, and other furniture. You can see I have some pretty big cookies here to make stools out of. So I'm doing that, and Dad's been over here working on a table saw sled and a router sled. Worked on it last night and yesterday. Got a pretty good start. So we got a lot to do yet, but like I said, we have a pretty good start. So we're going to finish that today, if not tomorrow. And I'm over here doing my thing. What I use to peel the bark off these is a draw knife. You can see it right there. I use a 5-inch, I think it is, and Dad has a 10-inch. I think it's a 10, I don't know for sure. He has a bigger draw knife anyway. So between him and I, we get these done quick. As you can see, I already have one peeled, and I have a half of one peeled here. So I'm going to do this now, and you guys can watch. Hope you guys enjoy.